Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 12th, 2023. Already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars, aka Jigsaw Sudoku number 72601. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be here, and 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, cannot see any triple boxes in this puzzle. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4 then. No quadra boxes here. Alright. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. For example, the L shape, upside down, this L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No. Only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. And the next shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here then. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? Let me check. No, only one. And then the last shape, I believe, here in this puzzle, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. I believe the T shape and the Z or S construction are missing here. But, oh wait, we have here 4. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy fulfilling those numbers. So let's get starting. filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, and this box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Should be here, and this box is connected with that box, will be also a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. Okay. Then. Let me see. Yeah. 3. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 3 could be there. Well. Come on. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Then this box can be 2, this box can be 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let me mark those. 1 and 2. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Then. Let me see. Come on. 1, 2, 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. That box can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, and this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. 1 box left. No. This box can be 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. We have a 1 there. And that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area from us, 3 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 4. Alright. Come on, come on, come on. I need to go up here. Let me see. These 3 boxes. So around the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3. No. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and a 5. Is connected with this box. 4 and a 5. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers. For the 3. 3 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Well, I don't think this box should be a 4, because then these 3 boxes can be a 4 then. We have a 4 here. But also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 here. So it's not the solution to place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. Well, this is complicated. But now we have 2 missing numbers in this area. For numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5. Is connected with that box. So 3 or a 5. Okay. So we need a 1 here. And a 1 could be here. Could be there. Alright. Give me a 4. 4. I need to think here. Come on. I think this box should be a 4. Because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a 3 in the same area. Could be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. Here, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 here. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 1. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, we go up. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Alright. Then. Let me think. Yeah. 4 and a 5. Need a 3 here. Okay. 1 and a 4. Okay. Now. Now. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. That means that these two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright, okay. And now well. 3. Need to think here. This is 4 and 5. Come on. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. And can be a 5. Yeah, definitely a 3 here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. That means we have a double 4 here. Yeah, double 4 and a double 5 here. So this box can't be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. Alright, so the 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore, because we have a double 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, 4 and 5, okay. And then, here the 4, need a 3 here, 1, 2, 3. Come on. 2, 2, 1, 1. Come on. What's happening here? 1 and 5. This box can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4. So 2 numbers left, 1 and a 5. Okay. This box can be 1, could be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, could be a 5. Okay, 2 and a 5. Yeah. Well, I'm stuck here. Come on. 1, 2, need a 3. This box cannot be a 3. Because if I place a 3 here, these 3 boxes can be 3. And I cannot place the 3 there. So here can be 3. So the 3 should be in one of those 2 boxes. As a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5 then. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left on 5. Should be there. Wow. This one is complicated. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. Is also connected with this box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this in this L-shaped area for number 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Alright. So now I've eliminated the 4 here, so the 4 should be there then. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the squash area for number 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Okay, I've marked this box with 1 or a 5. Well, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 1. 2 and a 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes, I believe. Wow, 18 minutes. I'm pleased with the time, because not more than 30 minutes, so it's not a 4 stars, not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Friday, last working day, almost weekend. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.